Welcome to FAD Tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can make 360 animation of your product in Blender. It is a very quick tutorial, so I'm using two methods. So I hope you like this tutorial. Let's go to the tutorial and start the video. So this is the product which I'm using for our 360 animation. So this is one of my product which I made in earlier, and before starting you have to know this is our cursor word origin. It should be on the center. So how we can make it in the center? So shift plus S, cursor to word origin. So this should be on the center, and this is our product. So sorry, and we have to go select this one, selection. So shift plus S, so selection to cursor. So but our product origin should be at the center of mass volume, so then it should be on the center like that. So it is in as per the physics proportion. So this is done. Okay, so I have to open the render view like this. So it's okay, I have done all the lightings and all these things. So I will upload another tutorial for the lighting and all this stuff, but this tutorial is specifically for the 360 animation of the product. So I use shift plus a camera. Okay, and our camera is here, but the problem is our product is too small, so I have to make it, I have to scale it like this. So it should be long enough to visible. So I place my camera up to here and select, and we will go to the object and clear rotation. So it's like this. So the rotation will be clear. So rotate 90 is okay. So it should be on the front. So I select this one. So now it's okay. So before moving, we have to open grid lines composition per percent. So I need this and diagonal, so that our focus is on same. Okay, so I'm using 50 mm is too wide, so I'm using 85 mm. Okay, so now it's okay. And before, so everything is okay, so we will use a cube, shift plus a cube, and we will go to wireframe view. So it's okay, the proportion is okay, scale X, and I think Y, go to the top side, scale Y. Yeah, it's okay now. So then we will go to the visibility, viewport visibility, and go to the wire. Okay, so now it's okay, and we make it unrendered, but visibility should be show, and select our project, this okay, should be like this. Okay, now it's working. So the thing is, we have to make this one as a parent with this project, so then we can animate this one. So okay, so press like this, press insert location rotation scale. Means if you see our scale is like our location and rotation scale are animated. So rotate Z, and I will animate up to 360, rotate Z 360. Okay, insert location rotation scale. So see, our object is rotating in 360. Okay, and to make it smooth, we select both vertices and go to interpolation mode and make it linear, so the speed will be same. Okay, so this is the one method which I am using to rotate any object, means in 360. So you can use in as a, but here you can see it's showing like that. So make our cube invisible, but the controller will be rendered. So let's make a render and let's see the result, how it looks like. go to the and I will go to the render mode, and I will make a folder like this, 360 animation. Okay, so I will select the folder, accept, and now it's render animation. So our rendering is completed. So the Premium Pro, the editing software, so we will use this animation and make a loop animation. So we are in Premium Pro now, editing software. So first of all I have to import the files. Go to import and select. So I have already folder selected, so I select this one and select image sequence and open. Okay, and now place it here. See, our product is here. So if I play, so 360 is showing here. So it is a transparent video, so I have to change the background. So I will go to color, mate, and make it white because it's look more visible here. Okay, so and if you currently it is 8 seconds, so if you need more, so you will make the loop more like that. So now it's 16 seconds. So this is your 360, and then you have to go to file, export, media, and I will make here. Okay, and save. So our video is rendered now. So our video is rendered. So the next method of rotating object in 360, this is another method which I'm using. So go Shift plus A, selection, mesh, Bezier circle. Okay, and go to the top view, scale up to like this. So go to the edit mode, select this one and Shift plus cursor to select it, and select the camera selection to cursor. Okay, so now it is on the cursor. So select this one, Control plus please, and this is follow path. So we are using this follow path, and if you press, the camera is rotating like this way. So I go to this. Okay, so here you see some jerks. So I select this one, go to the camera, speed animation, because if you see here it is 100 frames, so we will make it 250 frames. Okay, so select this one, in evolution mode linear. Okay, so this is the another method which you can use for creating 360 animation. See, this is the 360 animation of your product. So I hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe my channel. I will upload similar tutorials regarding Blender, After Effects, Premium Pro, and other editing softwares, 3D softwares. So you will learn a lot of stuff from this channel. Thank you very much for supporting.